First, we know about what is a motor. A motor is a machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. What is a synchronous motor? A synchronous motor is an most widely used type of AC motor. An AC motor which runs at constant speed is known as synchronous motor. Synchronous motor is one type of three-phase AC motor which operates from no load to full load. It is similar to an construction to a AC generator or alternator, and it is working on the same principle of three-phase induction motor. It generates an RMI which is running at constant speed. It is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is a self-existent motor. It does not need any external starts to start the motor like single-phase inductor motor. Construction of synchronous motor. It mainly consists of two parts. One is stator of synchronous motor. It is a stationary part of machine. The armature winding is placed on the stator and it is also called stator winding. This is the diagram of construction of synchronous motor. The stator consists of a cast iron frame which supplies the armature core or stator core, having slots on its inner periphery for housing the armature conductors. The stator core is built up with sheet steel laminations to reduce the eddy current losses. Ventilating ducts are provided in the frame for cooling the machine. The stator winding is a three-phase distributed winding existed by a three-phase AC supply. Stator consists of three-phase star or delta connected winding. This winding is existed by a three-phase AC supply. The stationary winding is also known as armature winding. And second one is rotor of synchronous motor. The rotor of a synchronous motor can be of two types: silent type or non-silent. Practically, most of the synchronous motors uses silent pole type construction. In synchronous motor, rotor winding is known as field winding. The winding of the rotor is excited by a separate DC supply through slip rings. First one is silent pole type rotor. In silent pole type rotor, there is a large diameter and short axial length. Poles are projecting out of the rotor surface. Air gap is non-uniform between them. The poles are laminated and carry the field winding. The individual field pole windings are connected in series. The field winding is excited through a DC supply from slip rings provided on the rotor. The pole phases are usually provided with slots for dampering winding or squirrel cage winding. The damper bars are short circuited at both ends by copper rings. The function of damper winding is to develop starting torque and prevents hunting in a synchronous motor. And second one is non-silent pole type rotor. In non-silent pole type rotor, there is a small diameter and very long axial length. The rotor consists of a smooth solid forged steel radial cylinder having a number of slots along the outer periphery. Field windings are embedded in these slots and are connected in series to slip rings through which they are excited by DC supply. Air gap is uniform. As we see in DC machines, the field winding which is stationary is kept on the stator and the armature winding is rotating in the rotor. But in synchronous machine, it is reversed, where the armature is kept stationary and the field winding will be at rotating. This type of synchronous machine construction has more advantageous than the DC machine type synchronous machine construction, and it is limited applications. The applications are: it is used as a synchronous condenser in power generations and substations. It is used for improving power factor. The constant speed equipment such as fans, electrical pumps, motors, generators, etc. And it runs at synchronous speed only. The formula Ns equals to 120 F by P. If frequency is F and number of poles is F, then synchronous speed equals to 120 F by P, RPM. So magnetic locking is the principle behind synchronous motor. Thank you for giving this opportunity.